Designing a corner shelf can maximize space and add a stylish touch to any room in your home. Corner shelves are versatile and can be used in various ways, whether for storage, display, or both. In considering your corner shelf design, start with the room's overall theme. For a modern, aesthetic, sleek, minimalistic shelves can be made of glass or metal and can create an open and airy feel. These materials work well in contemporary spaces and can be easily adorned with plants, books, or decorative items. If your style leans more towards rustic or traditional, wooden corner shelves are perfect choice. Opt for reclaimed wood to add character and warmth. You can choose from floating shelves that appear to float on the wall or sturdy bracketed designs that offer more supportive for heavier items. This style is particularly effective in living rooms or kitchens where you can display cookbooks, heirlooms, or family photos. In smaller spaces, consider using tiered corner shelves. These designs allow you to maximize vertical space without taking up too much floor area. Arrange them with a mix of decorative boxes, plants, and personal mementos to create an eye-catching display that draws the eye upwards. If you have a collection like vintage cameras or travel souvenirs, use corner shelves to showcase them prominently, turning your corner into a conversation starter. For more functional approach, incorporate corner shelves into your storage solutions. In bathrooms, corner shelves can hold towels, toiletries, or decor, keeping essentials accessible yet organized. Look for designs that offer both open and closed storage to maintain a clean look while providing practicality. Similarly, in home offices, corner shelves can hold books, supplies, and even decorative items that inspire productivity. If you're working with child's room, colorful corner shelves can add playfulness and organization. Consider adjustable shelves that can grow with your child, allowing for changes in storage needs as they age. Incorporating bins or baskets on the shelves can help keep toys and books tidy while adding a pop of color to the design. Lighting is another important factor to consider. Adding LED strip lights or small spotlights to your corner shelves can highlight your favorite items and create an inviting ambience. This is particularly effective for displaying art or collectibles, giving them the attention they deserve. Additionally, think about the depth and width of your corner shelves. In tight spaces, narrow shelves can work wonders without feeling intrusive. You can even design corner shelves that extend from floor to ceiling, creating a dramatic effect while providing an ample storage. Finally, don't forget to accessorize. Decorative elements like vases, frame photos, or even seasonal decoratives can bring personality to your shelves. Arrange items in groups of 3 for a balanced look, varying heights to create visual interest. In summary, corner shelves design can be both practical and stylish, providing storage and display opportunities in any room. Whether you prefer sleek modern styles or rustic wooden options, the key is to choose a design that complements your space while reflecting your personal taste. With thoughtful arrangement and creative accessoring, your corner shelves can become an attractive feature in your home, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal.